Okay, today guys, let us solve these rational inequalities. We have here x plus 12 over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So, ibig sabihin yan, ano-ano yung mga value ng x na pwede natin i-substitute dito na ang lalabas is greater than or equal to 2. Okay? So, to do that, the first step that we are going to do is gagawin natin siyang single rational expression sa left-hand side at 0 naman sa right-hand side. So, if we're going to do that, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng x plus 12 over x plus 2. Tapos, lipat natin sa yung positive 2, lipat natin siya sa kabilang side. Magkakaroon tayo dito ng negative 2 greater than or equal to 0. So, ang denominator natin dito is 1. So, of course, yung LCD natin, if we're going to find the LCD, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng LCD na x plus 2. So, x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1 multiplied by x plus 12. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x plus 12. Then, x plus 2 divided by 1 is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by negative 2. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng negative 2 multiplied by x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Distribute natin. So, we have here x plus 12. Then, distribute natin itong negative 2x. So, we will have negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4 over the denominator na x plus 2 is less than or equal to positive 0. Then, x minus 2x, so we know that this is equal to negative x. Then, 12 minus 4, so we know that this is equal to positive 8. Then, of course, our denominator na x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So, nagawa na natin yung ating first step, single rational expression at 0 naman sa kabilang side. So, the next step that we are going to do is hanapin natin yung tinatawag na meaningful number. Okay? Meaningful number or yung tinatawag natin na critical value. To do that, equate lang natin sa 0 yung ating numerator at yung ating denominator. So, ang numerator natin na negative x plus 8, kailan ba ito mag-equal to 0? So, of course, magiging equal yan sa 0 if the value of our x is equal to 8. Then, ang denominator naman natin na x plus 2. So, x plus 2, kailan ito mag-equal to 0? If the value of our x is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, meron na tayong dalawang meaningful number na negative 2 and positive 8. So, what we are going to do ay i-simplify natin or distribute natin siya sa original equation, yung meaningful number. So, kung ang x natin is equal to 8, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng 8 plus 12 over 8 plus 2. Ito ba ay greater than or equal to positive 2? So, 8 plus 12 is 20 over 8 plus 2 is 10 greater than or equal to 2. So, in this case, 20 divided by 10 is 2 greater than or equal to 2. Okay? Since na-satisfy natin itong condition, so therefore, masasabi natin na ito is magiging true. At kapag ka-true is part po siya ng ating solution, yung positive 8. Okay? How about si negative 2? Pag i-substitute natin siya sa original equation, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 2 plus 12 all over negative 2 plus 2. Ito ba ay greater than or equal to 0? So in this case, negative 2 plus 12 is positive 10 over 0 is greater than or equal to 0. Since meron tayong denominator na 0, so magiging undefined ito. At therefore, masasabi natin na ito is magiging false. At kapag ka magiging false ito, so masasabi natin ito ay not part of the solution. After natin makuha yung meaningful number or yung critical value, ang gagawin natin ay ilalagay natin ito sa ating number line. Okay? So, let us assume sa number line natin, nandito si negative 2, then nandito si positive 8. So, negative 2 and positive 8. Then, of course, si negative 2 is naka-open circle ito kasi negative 2 is not part of the solution, while this positive 8 is part of the solution, kaya solid circle. Then, gagawa tayo ng ating number line din sa part na ito. Then, kukuha tayo ng any value mula kay negative 2 up to kay negative infinity. So, we know, makikita natin dito si negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, up to negative infinity. So, pwede mong kukunin dyan si negative 3. Then, dito naman, sa pagitan ni negative 2 up to positive 8, pwede mong kunin dyan si 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, hanggang kay 8. So, pwede mo naman kukunin dyan si positive 5. Then, dito naman, si 8 up to positive infinity. So, pwede ka rin kumuha dito ng 9, 10, 11, so on and so forth. So, pwede mo kukunin dyan, which is equal siya sa 9. So, ang gagawin natin, i-substitute natin itong nakuha nating number sa original equation natin or inequalities. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng negative 3 plus 12 all over negative 3 plus 2. Is this greater than or equal to 2? So, negative 3 plus 12, so we know that this is equal to positive 9. Negative 3 plus 2, we know that this is equal to negative 1. Greater than or equal to 2. So, negative 9 divided by positive 9 divided by negative 1. So, this is equal to negative 9 is greater than or equal to 2. So, in this case, this will become false because we know that negative 9 is not greater than or equal to positive 2. So, pag false, not part of the solution. How about si positive 5? So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng, substitute natin siya sa original equation. 5 plus 12 all over 5 plus 2. Ito ba ay greater than or equal to positive 2? So, 5 plus 12. So, we know that this is equal to 17 over 7. Greater than or equal to 2. 17 over 7 is equal to 2 and 3, 7. And we know that 2 and 3, 7 is greater than or equal to positive 2. So, ito is magiging true. At since ito ay true, ito is magiging part ng ating solution. How about si positive 9? Okay? 9 plus 12 all over 9 plus 2. Ito ba ay greater than or equal to positive 2? So, 9 plus 12 is 21 over 11 is greater than or equal to 2. 21 over 11 is 1 and 10, 11 is greater than or equal to 2. So, since we know that this is false, so ibig sabihin, hindi po ito magiging part ng ating solution. So, sino lang yung part ng ating solution? So, therefore, ang magiging part lang ng solution natin is yung number from negative 2 up to positive 8. So, we can express our answer as x as an element of all real number na kung saan mula kay negative 2. Pero si negative 2 is hindi siya kasama exactly. Kaya ang gagamitin natin siya dito is open parenthesis up to positive 8. At si positive 8 is naka-solid circle. So, it means that kasama po yan. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating pinaka-final answer. So if you have question, feel free to ask question.